Shopify is like blowing up, right? Their stock just keeps climbing every quarter, but like they're really investing into AI, and they're going to be implementing to all stores. It's rolling out slowly. Like first and foremost is ChatGPT sales channel and being able to be visible from large language models, which we also do that for amplified clients, is help their LLM visibility, similar to SEO, but built for LLMs. They're implementing ChatGPT where you can buy from a Shopify store right from a GPT search. But probably my favorite that's slowly rolling out right now is called SIM Gym. And it basically is an in-house Shopify native application where you can redesign a theme and make all sorts of your changes. And then you can basically send true AI agents that function and act just like a normal user to go split test both of your themes together, just so you can get feedback before we go live with an actual split test. So we pair review analysis, survey analysis, over $600 million in total tracked sales data from 10 years worth of work, paired with that, and then we can formulate a hypothesis of what to test, what pages to test on, using AI to analyze all of that, combine it all, because not one is the true answer. It's finding something that works together with all of them. I'm looking really forward to what that brings. So I tried it on Diesel Dudes. I was building a homepage test. I've been building it for a hot minute now. I want it in bulk. Like randomly, by the grace of God, an email came out saying, hey, SIM Gym is available, or I seen an Instagram reel, they were releasing it. So I'm like, okay, now I can go get feedback from 500 agents to go crawl it and give me like their AI-powered feedback. I did it. I haven't looked at the results yet. It takes about a day for it to do. It's a very in-depth analysis it does, but it takes the guesswork out of it. Being able to get feedback on ideas and changes that we have, at least some form of feedback in bulk, is invaluable. Like it's something that's never been available before, so I'm excited to let it rip.